Welcome back to Design Guy. Ever wondered how to update your Canva website after publishing? I'll show you how. Open Canva and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, look to the lower left corner and click on your profile icon to access your account and personal settings options. Move to the side of your screen and click Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, locate and select web domains to continue with the configuration process in your account. Click the canvas to select it. Next, right-click on the canvas to open the context menu. In the menu that appears, click on View. This allows you to access additional viewing options for your canvas. We have our newly created website. Click the three dots next to your site to open additional options and manage your website settings. Click on the Here button to open the Options menu. From the list, select Edit Design to start customizing your current project's appearance and layout. To edit a website that's already published, simply select the design elements you want to change. Click on any section to make updates, add new content, or adjust settings. Your changes will be visible to visitors once you publish again. You just learned how to edit your Canva website after publishing. If this was useful, drop a like and subscribe for more easy tutorials.